Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ketaki Umarji. I'm a consultant pediatrician at Umarji Mother and Child Care Hospital, Baner. I would like to congratulate all the lactating mothers a very happy World Breastfeeding Week. The first week of August, that is 1st to 7th August, is celebrated as World Breastfeeding Week every year, which is supported by WHO, UNICEF and many other health ministries along the globe. It is time to recognize the breastfeeding as a powerful foundation for lifelong health, overall development of the children and equity. The theme for the World Breastfeeding Week this year 2025 is Prioritise Breastfeeding, Create the Sustainable Support Systems. To create sustainable support system for the lactating mothers, ensure that every lactating mother should get a proper support, resource and environment so that she can feed her babies successfully right from the birth till the age of 2 years of child's life and beyond. So we need to make sure that all the lactating mothers, they get a proper and right support at hospitals, at their houses from the families and at their workplaces. So this year's theme emphasizes on the need for the long-term and equitable support structures for the lactating mothers, recognizing its importance in environmental sustainability and climate resilience. So I would like to wish all the lactating mothers a very happy World Breastfeeding Week. So, enjoy this journey of breastfeeding. It is every mother's and baby's first right. Thank you so much. If you have any query regarding breastfeeding, its problems, please contact us. Thank you.